Explain mo, girl.
Ito ma'am, L'Oreal Excellas. Madali siyang gamitin kasi i-mix mo lang siya dito. And then after mo, i-mix mo, tapos salitan mo lang siya ng applicator.
Okay.
Pag may applicator na siya,
Lalagay mo na.
i-tuto na lang siya sa hair. So madali siyang gamitin. At saka may gloves na rin siya.
Ilang minutes?
It takes 30 minutes after activation para ma-develop yung color sa hair.
Talaga?
Yes, ma'am.
How much siya?
I think for only 399.
399.
Sunset ng box number ko.
Alright, thank you. Ano yan, girl?
Ito naman kami yung full filtry shampoo. So kapag color treated yung buhok or naka-reband, maganda siya gamitin kasi hindi niya nawawash out yung color or yung rebanded Brazilian layer.
Ang ganda. Bago lang ba to?
Actually, matagal na siya available dito kasi medyo nasa 300 something po yung price. Ano po ako sa SM Makati, tapos color is.
Alright, thank you, Lord. Thank you. Okay, sige. Si Rina, i-assist niya ako for the L'Oreal makeups.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Pipili tayo ng shade para sa'yo, ma'am.
Alright.
For the foundation, medyo dark lang siya tingnan, pero when you apply po, nag-blend naman siya.
Okay.
Pwede ko ba siya i-swatch here?
Sure.
So, try natin yung isang color here. G1 ka, ma'am. Mas light siya than G3.
Yeah.
So, kunin ko na yung G1. May parang po.
G1 and then G3. Yeah.
Sige po. Punasan ko lang siya, ma'am, ha? Or blend. Okay lang po ba? I-blend ko na lang siya. And then ito, kita mo talaga, ma'am, na acidic ka. Kasi actually, yung G3, medyo nag-dark.
Nag-dark na, no?
We have the light po.
Okay.
And then, we have the black. I mean the dark brown.
The dark brown. So, I'll get the light.
The light. So here.
Ay, oo. I'll get the light. Oo.
Light. And then for lipstick, ma'am, we have two shades available. The red and then the red orange.
I'll get the red.
The red. Okay. Sige po.
5 items.
Yes po.
What's this again?
It's a foundation.
And then the
So
brow.
straight for brow, mascara, liners, and the lipstick.
Alright. Thank you. Tapos sa post na area, kukuha ko ng blue cotton candy. What's your name? Berna. Thank you. Dito ako sa makeup station. Papa-makeup ako.
Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you at respective stations.
Erin's gonna do my makeup. This is the finished look of my makeup. Thank you, Tyrene. Tyrene, right? Yan, follow her, the Ellis Effect. Oh, talaga? 5 stars sa course.
Sa melanin naman po.
Melanin. Alright. Ano? Tarek. Ah, shucks.
Huwag lang tayo masyado magpaharaw kasi
True.
alam mo yun, yung
Sunspots.
medyo natatanggal siya pero medyo matagal and mahirap pag
Exactly.
sa wrinkles naman dito banda
Okay.
eyes nila
Oh my God, yeah. True.
intensive care. Magamit ka ba ng eyes?
Yes. Actually, lately na lang.
Ano siya, day and night siya ginagamit.
Oo nga, ano ba yan? I need eye
Hey, baka sabi,
cream.
Allah, may wrinkles.
Viral. According to Cheska, okay lang mag-makeup basta may hair.
True.
May makeup pa ng hair. Alam mo, okay lang walang makeup basta may toilet. Ay,
Parang better siguro if like, wow, the makeup. Proud of your piercing, to be honest. Which is really ano.
with my hair, I really love it. As in, perfect na yung look ko. May makeup na ako, may hair pa ako, nakapag-skin consultation na ako. Excited to try the new product, yung hair color nila. Excited! Thank you, L'Oreal!